And then there's this. This doesn't run. The fuel pump went out. The fuel filter was clogged. Changed the filter. Ran like crap. Changed the fuel pump. Ran for a day. Ran like crap. New fuel filter leaks. I bought another one. This has been parked. It's currently 35 degrees Fahrenheit. 9:48 a.m. Here is the plan. I don't really know what's wrong with this thing. I have another fuel filter. I don't think that's the issue, but I'm going to change it because you cannot have a fuel filter leaking. That's a recipe for a car fire. Gotta get the fuel filter. That might be the spot. Yeah, there's the filter. It is leaking. Look. I don't really know why I'm looking under here, honestly. Before we get crazy, let's just see if this thing drives. That dude still has antlers on his car. Yeah, it does. Okay. There's still something wrong. Dang it! Well, here's the Suburban. A couple, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago. I came out here and tried to fix this thing. It's actually not running still. As I was saying, the truck is frozen to the ground. So it's like 23 degrees. Feels like 16. Right on. Try to have it not leak. Try to fire it up and see what happens. Yeah. Hey, it did. Clark, what are you doing? He thinks we're gonna go to the park. I think I'm gonna let it run while I clean the garage. Well, the truck's been running for about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. It is just chooching away. I don't know. Aside from that, the pile of... Whoa, it just did something. Okay. Cardboard is gone. I think I'm just gonna put that back together so I have the table. It just made a funny noise. It's whoa, what's going on here? Sure does smell it. Yeah, you can kind of hear him up there. Snow melt right there because I don't really want to mess with that. You know, I don't want to touch that. It's cold. It's ice. I'm gonna shut it off and then put a different fuel filter in it, like sucking air into the line or something. It whoa, boom. I don't know. I have no idea what's wrong. I'm just gonna kind of throw parts at it. Okay, we're back. Garage is clean. Okay, that's great. I got another fuel filter. On the way out the door, I slipped and broke my arse on the icy steps to my front porch. So that's good. All right, we're back. It's the heat of the day, about 33 degrees. We're under the Suburban, getting ready to swap this fuel filter out. I got a new fuel filter in my pocket right here, ready to go. Gonna jam that in. Now's the part when I get drenched with gasoline. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's not a 960. Son of... Got the right extension now. Nope. Why is everything so difficult? Why does it have to be a struggle? Why? Did I mention I fell on my ass? Maybe the wobbler. Are you kidding me? That was not good. Okay. What the? Got this fitting loose. Okay, got it loose. This is the part where it runs down into my armpit. There it goes. Splishy splash. Right into my eyes. Sorry, my fingers froze. Okay, that's snug. And then that's tight. Great. I'm gonna pull it into the street and peek on the fuel filter to see if it's leaking. Pouring out, leaking really bad. Worse. It's worse. Problem's worse. I made it worse. I think it's an O-ring or something. I think I have an O-ring though. Okay, we're back under. This is the new filter. It's leaking. There's O-rings in these things. I have one from the fuel filter that I replaced. Hopefully this fits. This was, when I drove out into the street and parked and looked, was literally shooting gasoline. That's some type of sick joke. This is the third time I put in the O-ring. And that fixed the fit. Calling it fixed. It runs good. Doesn't do that thing anymore. I'm calling that a success. Shut her down. Do a little refire. Purring like a kitten. Suburban's back in business. Fuel pump, check. Fuel filter, check. Fuel pump relay, check. Frozen jack stand back. Well, that's going to conclude this installment of routine maintenance on vehicles. See you guys in the next one. Whose boots were these? These look like Santa Claus boots. Look at these large strides.